In this video, we're going to learn how to take a GMetrix practice exam. So first we click the GMetrix practice exam folder. Now the first time you go, you'll need to copy this access code, but once you've logged in, you will no longer have to do that, and there will be a link right here to written instructions. So when we click the link, it launches another window, and here we are. Now, the first time you come, you'll have to use your access code to get an account. So where we want to go over here is to tests and say new tests. Now we want to use Office 365, so we simply click it. Now we see that there are two Word options, to Excel and a PowerPoint. We just want to do first this regular Excel. Later we'll do this expert. So when we click this, it opens up another screen with practice exams. I want you to complete the first two in the training mode. So I'll show you how to do that. So we just click training, and it takes us to a screen saying, hey, you need to open your GMetrix file, and I've already downloaded it, so there we go, it opens it up. If you haven't downloaded it, you can click here and quickly download it. So now it's preparing our exam. The bottom portion is the test area. The top portion is your Excel spreadsheet. You have 50 minutes to complete an exam. The important parts are when you're finished, you use the Save Project. And when you finished a project and you're ready to move to a next one, see over here, it shows us there are 7 projects. And in project 1, we have these 5 tasks. So grade a project, save a project, restart the project. And when you finished a project and you're ready to move to a next one, see over here, it shows us there are 7 projects. And in project 1, we have these 5 tasks. So grade a project, save a project, restart the project, but the timer will not go back if you restart your project. So summary brings up this list that shows you what you've done, and so here's what the other projects are going to be like. So, okay, if you're interested in the overview, this is a rental shop at a popular beach. You're going to update rental rates. So we go to task 1. It says import this file from the GMetrix template folder. Now, if you're on your PC, this should be pretty easy to do. But if you're not, then you may have to go looking for it. So to import a file, we go up here to data and we say get data from a file, and we want an XML file. Now there it is. Since I'd already done this, it's looking in the right place. So it's going to look on your C drive in the users folder, in your username folder, then documents, and then this GMetrix template. So you can double click on it and the importer will run. If your screen is like mine, you're going to have to resize this window, and then you just say load, and it will load it into a new spreadsheet, and voila, you're done. So when you're done, you can mark as completed, and this little green check right here shows up. But if you're not sure, then you can mark for review, and the little orange thing shows up. Okay, and then when you're done, you click next task. So time is your enemy. See, we've already been here a minute and a half. and we didn't do very much. So you have generally 35 or so tasks to perform in 50 minutes. So if you're not sure how to do something immediately, just mark it for review and go on to the next task. You can also just click on a task to jump to it. You don't have to use these next and previous buttons if you don't want to. So again, when you finish the task, it will be graded. It'll tell you how you do, and now it's going on to project 2, as you see right here. When you're finished, you click the Save Project. I'm going to save this one locally, and it takes us back to that main dashboard. So we need to close this tab, and that will take us back to our course content here in Blackboard. So we're at this site, so we can click this folder, and that'll take us back to this screen, and we can click content up there, and that takes us back to the home screen. I hope this video helps. Send your instructor an email if you have any concerns.